Hi, my name is Tracy Smith. I'm going to talk to you today about Novell Conferencing, a new web-based conferencing tool from Novell. There are three primary benefits to Novell Conferencing. It's easy. It's integrated. It's low cost. So all of us have experienced joining meetings where the meeting takes 5, 10, 15 minutes to start because there's a participant or a set of participants that have to download the software. That typical scenario is the host schedules the meeting, that goes out to the participants, and they get some type of a link where they themselves have to go download an application. After they download that, they install it, and then they can join the meeting. We've heard that roughly 30 to 40% of participants are not prepared with the client software to participate in many web conferencing meetings. Novell Conferencing is a browser-based application, and it's extremely easy to start meetings. Within the browser, you click on a button to start the meeting. When you start the meeting, you send them a URL, or through the integrations that we'll provide, they'll be given the URL, and through their own web browser, they can very, very quickly join and participate in that meeting. There is no need to install any software for either the host or the participants. They can join and participate in meetings in literally seconds, as opposed to what typically happens with the competition in the market is it takes many minutes. Novell Conferencing is one of the few conferencing solutions in the market that allows you to record a session without having to install any software. So ease of use is a significant benefit and one of our primary go-to-market messages. Now the second point is it's integrated. So when you think of our collaborative solutions in the market today, GroupWise, Teaming, and then Instant Messenger, conferencing will be tightly integrated with those three applications. When Pulse becomes available, it'll also be integrated with Pulse. An example of that with Instant Messenger, if you think of your instant messaging window and you're chatting away with a peer and you want to share your desktop. So you're talking about something you're working on and, oh, I need to show you something. With a very simple click, you can initiate or transform that instant message into an instant web meeting. And yourself will be put into the web meeting, the meeting will be initiated, and your recipients will be given in their chat window a URL that they just need to click on to join that meeting. Another integration is with GroupWise. If you think in GroupWise, when you're sending an appointment, you write the text and you get ready to send it, you'll have the option to very easily select something within the interface to make that appointment a web meeting. When your meeting attendees get the reminder notice or the notify and they click on the option to open the appointment, they'll see that URL and they can very easily and quickly join the web meeting. Within Teaming, there will be a similar integration. As you see the names within Teaming, there's a small icon that has the avatar that represents the presence of people within Teaming. You'll be able to click on a link on that avatar and select an option to also have an instant web meeting with them. Now the third primary benefit is low cost. We hear often with customers today the expense that they're incurring with WebEx and GoToMeeting and similar solutions. Novell Conferencing is roughly a third of the cost. Initially, Novell Conferencing will be available as a hosted service in the cloud. When customers buy the subscriptions available, they'll be given a corporate account under the URL novellconferencing.com. For example, acme.novellconferencing.com.